Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Google phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Google phone guys phone sound and vibration setting, and video title is guys do not disturb schedule time how to set. Friends, you want to set guys your phone do not disturb guys phone schedule time. Friends, how to set and how can you set guys according to yourself guys custom time how to set in Google phone device. Today friends I will show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting guys. First of all guys, we will on guys phone sound and vibration setting. Friends, you can see Google phone guys phone sound and vibration setting guys. We will on it. Friends, you can see your sound and vibration setting guys. Do not disturb setting guys. Tap here. First of all guys, we will on from here. After on guys, you can see guys do not disturb guys this schedule time guys. Tap here. Friends, you can see guys this sleeping guys. Tap here. Friends, you want to add guys this username sleeping. So friends, you can add guys, you want to change, so guys you can change from here. Friends, you can say use schedule guys. We will on it. After on guys, you can see guys days. Friends, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday guys you want to off, you want to on. So guys you can on guys only Sunday guys, only Saturday you want to on. So guys you can set guys day from here. Start time, and guys you can see guys your time. Friends, you want to set guys your custom time guys. Tap on this keyboard, and then we will tap here guys like 4:40. As AM PM guys you can change from here. So guys I will set into set time 4:40 AM, and guys end time guys I will tap here 4:40 PM. So like that guys, do not disturb will on guys automatic on Sunday 4 AM, and guys automatic Sunday guys 4:40 PM 44 PM guys do not disturb will off. So like that guys you want to schedule, so guys you can schedule guys your do not disturb time. And hence you don't want to schedule, so guys you guys off guys your phone schedule option and come back. So like that guys you want to schedule, so guys you can schedule your do not disturb time. So bye bye guys, thanks for watching the video.